China new hypersonic ICBM threaten U.S. power in the Pacific. China tested a long-range hypersonic missile dubbed the DF-27 that can penetrate the U.S. mainland defenses. The vehicle flew for 12 minutes over 1,300 miles (2,100 kilometers) and had a high probability of breaching American ballistic missile defense systems. The new missile has a hypersonic glide capability in addition to its increased range, making it a more powerful carrier killer than its predecessors, by being able to maneuver to escape American and ally missile defenses, according to an opinion piece written by Josh Rogin. Although details about the latest hypersonic missile remain scarce, some previous reports have identified the DF-27 as belonging to the same third generation of China's strategic nuclear weapons as the DF-41. The reports also noted that the DF-27's 4,500-7,000 kilometers range is comparable to that of the DF-4 or DF-4A. It is expected to be equipped with a hypersonic weapon designed and tested to attack the U.S. mainland or a naval facility in Hawaii. However, this is not the first Chinese hypersonic test that has unsettled the United States. In 2021, China tested a nuclear-capable missile carrying a hypersonic glide vehicle that went around the world and missed the intended target with a very close margin. A second test was reportedly conducted soon after. Last year, a Pentagon report dwelled on the threat posed by the DF-17. It read, "The DF-17 passed several tests successfully and is deployed operationally. While the DF-17 is primarily a conventional platform, it may be equipped with a nuclear warhead." Citing a claim by a Chinese military expert, the Pentagon added that the primary purpose of the DF-17 is striking bases and fleets in the Western Pacific. However, China's hypersonic capabilities are not limited to the DF-17. And U.S. generals have acknowledged this on multiple occasions. On March 10 this year, the chief scientist for science and technology at the Defense Intelligence Agency informed U.S. legislators that China currently outpaces Russia regarding supporting infrastructure and system members when it comes to hypersonic capabilities.